Hi everyone, welcome to iDroid Review. My name is Hardik and today we are going to do unboxing of the Shure MV7 podcast microphone. It is a dynamic microphone. We got this in silver color for 15,000 rupees and it is also available in black color for 19,000 rupees on Amazon India. And on Amazon US it costs somewhere around $250. This is the budget version of the very popular Shure SM7B microphone. It is targeted towards the YouTubers and the streamers on a budget. It comes with dual USB and the XLR output. And it also supports USB plug and play via the Shure Motiv Plus application. All you need to do is download the application on your Android or the iOS device, and you can also manage some of the basic audio settings through that application as well. The audio which you are currently listening to is coming through the Samsung Galaxy Buds attached to my Samsung S20 Plus cell phone. Once we are done with the unboxing of the Shure MV7 microphone, we'll switch the audio to this microphone. Okay guys, so we have with us the MV7 podcast microphone from Shure, and let's start with the unboxing. First one is the quick reference guide. Next we have this brochure to download the Shure Motiv app. Then we have some more warranty papers. Next we have the Shure MV7 microphone. We have this one in silver color, so you can see the logo, the big logo here, and on this side as well. So the windscreen comes off very easily. The yoke is already pre-installed, the shock mount, and we have the touch buttons here. So we have the mute button here, then we have the slider to increase or decrease the mic gain or the headphone volume, and we have the mic gain and headphone volume toggle button here. If you long press this toggle button, you can adjust the balance of the microphone output and the output from your computer. So this is how the mic looks. We have dual output connections on the back. The first one is the XLR. Then we have the USB micro USB output. Then we have the zero monitoring headphone jack as well. Let's just put it aside for a minute and see what else we get in the box. We get two cables with this microphone. So the first one is USB to micro USB. Next we have the USB-C to micro USB. You can connect the USB-C side to your mobile, and the micro USB side goes back into the microphone. So this is what we get in the Shure MV7 microphone package. The Shure MV7 microphone is now ready and attached to my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus cell phone via the Shure Motiv application. The audio which you are now listening is coming through the Shure MV7 microphone. Let's quickly talk about some of the features and specifications of this microphone. The body of this microphone is completely built with metal. On the back of it we get the XLR output and the micro USB output, and we also get the zero latency monitoring headphone jack. On the top of it we get the windscreen, which doesn't do a very good job of cutting plosive, but it is there and it is fine. On the side of the microphone we get the touch buttons along with the LED indicators. You can slide your finger to increase or decrease the gain. We also get the toggle button to increase or decrease headphone volume. We also get the touch to mute button, and this mic comes attached with the yoke, but it doesn't come with a stand, so you need to have your mic stand or the boom arm. Shure MV7 is a dynamic microphone with the cardioid polar pickup pattern and the frequency range of 50 Hz to 16 kHz. Being a dynamic mic, this doesn't catch a lot of background noise, and it suits people who doesn't have sound treated rooms. It also comes with a very good Shure Motiv Plus application. You can manage all your audio settings through that application. You can increase or decrease the gain, set a limiter or add compression to your audio with that application. I just keep it on auto and it works fine for me. So that's all guys for this video. If you gained anything out of this video or like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you.